AG Labs, my name is Ben. Hello, welcome to the microsoldering show for the second time today. And the reason for the video is that I'm just sitting in front of an iPad Air, and you see my workers don't work because Andy got packages with shit and just want to see what it is. No problem. Okay. Yeah, I got an iPad mini in front of me, and I did an iPad mini 4 video some days ago, and I got responses and reactions under the video, and a lot of people wrote that they want to see more iPad videos, and I already started with that repair here. Das hier funktioniert komplett, da musst du im Endeffekt nur noch die Rechnung rausschicken und alles einzeln einfolieren ordentlich. Ja? So. Yeah, and I got a lot of responses to that video and a lot of reactions that you want to see more iPad videos, and I already started the repair and just separated the touch screen and took out the LCD and checked what the problem on that device is, and it's just a VCC main short on an iPad Air. So I just want to show you how to solve this error on an iPad Air. Nein, nicht montieren, alles einzeln einfolieren. So I just want to give you on hands. By the way, the coronavirus is here. So we are at Saarland, Germany, and we have the first emergency case in coronavirus. Perhaps tomorrow we are all dead. I don't know. Possibly or not. Could be.
So give this video likes.
give this video likes. Perhaps it's one of the last times you see me. I don't know. No, sorry. I don't want to make jokes about the coronavirus, but it's a fact that we got the first corona emergency case in the Saarland yesterday. It was okay. So when you got an iPad and want to check if it's got a short on VCC main, you just have to put the board up a little bit here and then to get rightly here, or you do measurements on the VCC main at one cap of the VCC main line on the board. You can do it like you want. I already checked and saw, okay, we got a short on VCC main. So what do I do now for finding this short? It's just easy. I just put the board up a little bit with my spatcher, and then I connect the Croco so. I connected the Crocos, and now if I activate the power, I see I got 5 amps short directly. Okay? So I just want to take the thermal cam to find the short. Who was this, the name? Ah, okay, and he wanted to know about where the package is, and he got, okay. It's already delivered. So now we just take the seek. We just take the seek, and that's one big advantage of the seek. So I can take it in that way. I can take it in that way out of the holder and just take it in my hand and move it over the board. So now we can just search for the short. Move it over the board to search the short. Great. And here we are. Just one cap next beside to the PMIC, and I saw it really often on these iPad Airs. Here you see it. I will give you the video of the thermal cam into this video. Here is the point, and here it's just the 4th cap at the side. Okay. The 4th cap at the side should be 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, should be that one. That's okay. So and now we just solved that short in a fast way. It will be a fast video because we have no disassembly. We just have how to solve a short on VCC main on an iPad Air. And let's see. And we can see already that the cap has an issue. Was musst du wissen? Ja? Rechnungsnummer, Angebotsnummer, irgendwas? Was ist damit? Ja, das steht, das weiß ich. Das steht unten im Versand und das wird versendet nach Zahlungseingang. And now I just want to show you here. Can you see the cap? The broken cap is directly here. Okay. And now we just take out the cap in a really fast way, because we are next beside to the underfilled power management IC. So just using some heat, not much, and kick it away. So that's not bad work, because we have enough caps for stabilization on that line, so it's no problem to knock off one in this area. So it's more safe to knock it just off as to replace, because we are next beside to the hardly underfilled power IC, and we don't want to get any cold solder here. So now the short should have been gone, and we should see an apple again. So I just connect power supply. Just connect power supply, and we have no short anymore at all. That's nice. And I just plug on the screen without the touch. Deutschland. I just connect, and boom! We are back to life again with our iPad Air after no power, no boot, just because of a little short on VCC main. And you see, you can solve these shorts on an iPad really easy. Back in the days, I was always feared about iPad repairs. Today, I just love them because you can really solve them fast. You can earn fast money on that, and you have a satisfied customer, because in the last year we get so many iPads, more and more and more. So iPads do have the same problems like the iPhones, and you can find the errors on them iPads really, really fast. You just have to know how to do it. And I think removing a short on an iPad in such a fast time is okay. So I hope you liked the video. It was just a bonus for you, just a gift for you. Second video today. I hope you like it. If you want to learn things like that easily, you can do that at the Body Level Repair School Germany. If you're working at the repair industry for smartphones and tablets, you can just join our Facebook group, Smartphone Repair Group Germany. Please answer the questions, otherwise we can't accept your membership. And yeah, get this beautiful ICC Pro. Every technician in the world should have this, okay? I'm out. We see you with the next video. Boom! Back to life again. Here's Ben.